actress.
I need card. Yeah.
How a sitting president can weaponize the
If I
judiciary?
go tomorrow, Bandar Fund. I don't know. I have to
I
go.
feel so bad. You guys only have these two. Wait, what about
Then go.
Bernie Sanders? What about Bernie Sanders? Why
You don't
doesn't
understand?
he get to run for president? Why doesn't Bernie?
Sorry.
Why doesn't Bernie get to run for president?
ভরপুর চ্যাপ্টারের পাশে
I like Bernie Sanders a lot.
হ্যাঁ
Are you going to Vietnam for sure?
আর ইউ ফরেনার
Vietnam for sure?
আর ইউ ফরেনার
No. Why?
where to come from you
Where am I come from? Where did I come from?
वीडियो करें
জীবন
Yeah, please, Mom. I kind of have to go to Vietnam.
ওইখানে
I kind of have to go to Vietnam because I want to go to Thailand after. So when I go to Vietnam,
Vietnam I have to I thought
you thought of going
I
there?
wish I go to Vietnam
Come,
হ্যাঁ
come.
হ্যাঁ
It's easy to go to Vietnam. E-visa, it's super easy.
হ্যাঁ যাবো যাবো
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
How about India? Indian visa takes too long. Now that we are having problem with India, it's not gonna be easy for me to get a visa for India. No, then you. Indian visa is not gonna be acceptable now, right?
Yeah.
Because Bangladesh and India is having a problem between.
What problem? What issue?
Yeah,
Saamne. It's a big problem.
yeah. Now, right now, it's a very big problem because in the border already many people are trying to flee. In the border, India and Bangladesh border, people are already trying to go to India because some of the political leaders they don't feel safe in Bangladesh anymore because they were taking the person who left the country her side, and people are not happy. People are not happy that there's a new government and they want to save themselves, so they're trying to fly to India, but Indian army is not letting them. I saw a video, it was so sad, like they're like, please sir, let us go, but they also have to, it's not their fault, you know. Indian army, they have to protect their country too. They're not just gonna let some people to get into their country without visa or anything. But I do have a plan on going to India soon. I cannot. Cha? Yes, cha.
I don't know tea.
I genuinely hope that someday you will see that you have been a victim of the biggest media spin job ever. Everyone loved Trump before he ran for president.
No brother no no brother
Not cha, just cha. Cha.
আপনি যাচ্ছেন তো শিওর না
ছুটি নিয়ে ফেলছি কিন্তু আমি আগে জানলে কিন্তু ছুটিটা নিতাম না।
এই যে আমাদের সেলুনের
এখানে আপনারা একটা গ্যাপ করছেন আমার সাথে, মানে একটা পাটপাড়ি।
কে
এখানে আরেকজন যাচ্ছে, আমি চাইছিলাম যে
আপনি ওনার চিন্তা কেন করতেছেন আপনি
না, আমি
বাকিদের চিন্তা করবেন
না
না
না আমি জানলে যেতাম না, বাকিদের কথা চিন্তা করেই তো যাচ্ছি। রিয়াজ বললো যে আমার এক্সপ্লেন করলো যে সে এরকম করে
We're gonna get some
ওনার কথা চিন্তা করি।
chai,
তো আসলে
chai.
আমি চাচ্ছি দূরে থাকি, আমি ওনার সামনে ঘুরতে যাচ্ছি না।
আরে আপনি ওনার থট মাথায় আনার দরকার নাই আপনি চিন্তা করুন বাকি 6 জন বাকি 7 জনের কথা আপনি নর্মালি ভাই একটা সামনাসামনি আসলে একটা মানুষের নর্মালি কথাবার্তা নর্মাল জিনিসটা নর্মাল রাখবে You are a good man.
Why?
You get
Oh, why
money.
is your hand is so hot?
I don't
You
know.
have fever?
I don't know. Last time my friend hold my hand And he was, oh, you are hurt.
Yeah,
Hot.
your body is.
I tell him, I am so hot for this thing. জানি না আমার শরীর গরম কেন থাকে আমি বুঝি না, আমার ডাক্তার দেখাই হবে।
আবার
I think it's because you always stay in a
Hot note,
office.
hot note.
Office.
Pressure job, sales, marketing,
because
Oh.
he is a hot boy. And hot man.
marketing, sales target is too much
Hot
tough, brother.
Oh, you have a targeted, like you
Targeted job.
have to have a target. The company give you a target and you have to achieve
Yes,
those.
yes, yes,
It's hard. So you have to find a new customer.
Yes, brother. Some
Damn.
customer are very bad behavior with us.
Oh my god. I'm
So-
sorry, bro. Why don't you start a business, bro?
I try my business, but it's not easy now Bangladesh because it's a very rush economic condition in Bangladesh. The buying habit is changed Bangladesh. So I think first time I thought I sell flat land consulting firm, but people now not interested.
I think
Lack of interest.
I think clothing business would be the best
no,
one.
no, brother, it's very crucial.
You know, I know somebody.
He's an experienced person. Clothing business.
Clothing business.
He's an experienced person.
Some experience too.
Some, but for me better.
I know
From
somebody from here, Bukhari. Do you know Bukhari? The fat guy.
Bukhari Hadith.
Yeah.
No, there's a guy named Bukhari, fat one.
Yes, Bukhari is a
They-
musician.
yeah, he also plays guitar.
I know that.
Yeah, I bought a guitar from him too. That guy and two other guys, they have a business of clothing.
Well,
Here, around here, they
Where,
make a
where?
lot of money. Around
He is
here,
a very popular man, Bukhari.
not popular, not that popular.
but I key.
You know Bukhari, right?
Bukhari, I know
Bukhari.
Bukhari.
To go,
I heard his name from Usman. Madarbari Usman, you know? Madarbari Usman?
Yeah, Usman.
Oh yeah, I know. Where is he?
He's underground.
Underground? What do you mean? Still underground?
Yes.
What the fuck? He started music a while back. He's still all the way underground.
He's
Why is
underground musician, brother.
why is he underground?
He's
Why
underground musician. No,
he
brother.
This Bangladeshi tea.
yeah, guys, look. No, they know already.
Name is Cha.
They already know. They see me drink this all the time. Yeah.
No, brother, আমি চা খাবো না। আমার
আরে
চা-
ভাই একটু খাইতে হবে তো।
আরে ভাই আমার অবস্থা ভালো না ভাই, আপনি খান ভাই, রাখেন। আপনি
একটু করে
ওই যে
খান।
ভাইয়া আসছে, ভাইয়াকে দেন।
I have voted third party every time,
চা খান?
but this time, not this time. Yes.
নেন ভাইয়া, নেন। আমি একটু আগেই চা খেয়েছি তো।
ধরেন না, ধরেন। কিছু খাবেন? পেঁয়াজু? হ্যাঁ? ভাই আরে একটু তুলতে না ভাই। আগে একটা তুলতে না। আরে বেশ মে যা আছে কি খাবেন?
America love Trump. You guys are talking about Trump and Kamala.
What is this?
You guys are so adorable.
জিজ্ঞেস করলাম যে
It's because of
দাম জিজ্ঞেস
you guys love your country.
ডিমের পিঠা
You know, I used to not watch any political video, not even a single political video.
উথুনিয়া কোথায়? উথুনিয়া?
ইথুনিয়া
হ্যাঁ, উথুনিয়া।
ইথুনিয়া না ইথুনিয়া
ওই উথুনিয়া লিস্ট।
এসে না আমরা
ইথুনিয়া কোথায়?
ইথুনিয়া
Lithuania.
না ওইদিকে ভিয়েতনাম টিয়েতনাম ওই পাশে
লিথুনিয়া?
বাংলাদেশ, উথুনিয়া।
ওই মিয়া, ইথুনিয়া বা বাংলাদেশে কোথায় পাবে ইথুনিয়া মিনি কক্সবাজার
I'm 30, old enough to know young people,
It's in
young enough to
Chap-
worry about the
Chapul?
future of women and minorities.
Things. উথুনিয়া লেখা, কোনো কিছু লেখা নেই।
আই ডোন্ট নো
Lithuania is in Europe. My cousins are going to Lithuania.
উথুনিয়া, brother,
Two.
not a Lithuania.
লিথুনিয়া
উথুনিয়া।
উথুনিয়া
Oh, Udunia. Okay.
উথুনিয়া, sorry, উথুনিয়া।
Okay. Because two of my cousins, they're going to Lithuania for as a student visa.
Lithuania is the brother of Lithuania.
You're just choosing to ignore the truth for your chosen hatred or love. Bro, dollar is so expensive now, right?
So much expensive. Right now, 127.
I have to buy 1,000 US dollar. I have to carry, but dollar is safe. Dollar is safe. Having a those money, it's not bad. Dollar is actually safe.
Sit down, sit down.
Let's get go.
এটা জীবন জীবন এই তো
Oh.
where is brother?
Hey, bro. Dada.
Yo.
What is this the language, brother? Please come.
Sorry.
Give him some money.
Mr. Jiman is in the chat.
We are always getting high, right?
This is very good in English.
I have
We are a low English.
Hello.
কোনো ব্যস্ত
হ্যাঁ।
জিরো ব্যস্ত
দাদা হ্যাঁ পাটপাড়ি করো।
I have a
হ্যাঁ
বাটপারি
I have a
পিজুস করে না
client for
বাটপারি
you.
পিজুস কে করে
পাটপাড়ি করায়।
পিজুস
যান
বাটপারি
মিয়া যান যান
করা।
মিয়া যান
আমি বাটপার না আমার সাথে সাথে দেখা হয় তারা বাটপার
মানে বুঝছেন তো তার উল্টা
one of my friend is gonna come here from Denmark, right? He needs some SEO expert.
Okay, don't worry. We have a fully professional and optimizing team. Don't worry.
আই ওয়ান্ট টু প্রমোট মাই সার্ভিস
We are
No,
always
he's
ready
not
to
here.
give some shit,
My
right?
friend, he already
No problem.
he's gonna be in Bangladesh to meet me about this. He wants to
We
hire
control
some.
the search engine
Huh?
from Bangladesh.
I know, I
Don't
know.
worry.
ইভান ভাই
কই যাও?
আমার সেশন আছে
I have
এই দাদা
I have to read the whole thing. He texted me.
No problem. Just forward to me and I will reply.
I'm not gonna forward it to you. I'm gonna be the one who's gonna meet him first, face to face, and then know what is he exactly looking for.
No, you are
Sit.
definitely you are the representative from our end.
I know.
প্লিজ সিট আওয়ার সিট
Please.
ইটিং
So,
কিয়া তুম
আমার অবস্থা normal।
চলো
কেন চলবে মানে? আমি তো normal আছি। দেশ স্বাধীন করে ফেললাম।
দেশ স্বাধীন কোন দিক দিয়ে
জয় বাংলার মুক্তি পেলে।
ওই মুরগি ভাঙা দিন ছিলাম তো গলার মধ্যে রুটি ভাঙা বান্ধি টাঙা মাথা চুপ করে না
জোর করে ফেললাম।
Nightlife in Bangladesh. We just sit next to a tea stall, drink tea, play games.
ডোন্ট কল
we're
Stuff
just
like that.
Afraid to ordering some snacks
Yeah.
because they're kind of itchy when you're eating some food from street, right?
Yeah.
হ্যালো
And
We love street food,
সেলুন খোলা আজকে
it's not hygienic.
but we love it. It's tasty, bro. It's tasty.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Like the street food is tasty.
ভাই গিফট নিয়েছে নাকি গিফট
এই কিনেছে ব্রাদার বাই ফর সামওয়ান গিভ মি সাম মানি টু বাই দিস
you're just being a parcel provider, right?
রাইট
Oh, it's for someone else. Okay.
But money is not me.
Oh, it's a good product, right?
Yes.
Oh, what about the selfie stick? It's for you.
It's me.
Bro, I told you I will give you one.
I have two
It's a
selfie stick, but I need this because battery is very
don't
kind
have
of
any microphone or something, but,
like
It doesn't have microphone?
অনেকভাবে এটা কি ইয়া করে
but
হ্যাঁ
it's wireless. It's connected with Bluetooth.
I bought one, right? For my computer,
This product brand name?
but it's
Brand name
the
is
Who are from this
microphone.
brand?
OSN.
The mic, no, not this brand. No, I bought it.
Underground market.
What is it called? Go Vibe something. Go Vibe
এটা
something.
যখন কিনছি এটা
Yeah,
যখন
I'm not
কিনছি
sure about-
কিনে বাইরে গেছি
How much? Ever paid for this?
1200
1,200.
Yes,
It
brother.
mean 1,200 bucks.
Yes, brother.
Bangladeshi
But
bucks.
মজা কি জানো এটা কিনে যখন
$12
নামছি বাইরে গেছি
It's only $12,
রাস্তায়
bro.
দেখতেছি
Only $12.
রাস্তায় দেখতেছি এটা বিক্রি করতেছে মানে এটা বিক্রি করতেছে মানে এটার উপরে ময়লা লাগানো
Have you bought
পুরা
it
পুরা
from
পুরা
street?
হ্যাঁ?
Have you bought it from street?
No, no, no. It's from
Is
the
it the street
No, no, no.
product?
Supermarket.
এই প্রমাণ।
no from the super good one like a brand new
না
super
বাইরে
shop.
যেটা সেল
Brand new
করছে
super shop.
ওইটা এখানে ময়লা লাগানো পুরা বক্স পুরা
Did you bargain for this?
Ulanjir tripod almost same.
ওকে ওকে
It's a tripod and it has some legs as
Yes,
like
for this reason I bought this.
3 legs.
Buy this. Sorry, bought this.
GPS. Is it cheap?
Yes, not too much.
How much? How much?
300.
300. 300 Bangladeshi dollar.
No, no. Bangladeshi
Taka.
dollar.
It's kind of unique and it's like a snake's leg. Does snake have leg?
Very cheap.
This one was given by my friend.
Okay, okay. Thank you, brother.
It's a good one.
Product.
Is it?
Yeah, he bought it in Thailand.
Is it from Thailand?
Ulanji.
Yeah, Ulanzi.
Is it
This one is
Chinese?
also Ulanzi.
I need
Mine is also Ulanzi.
because I am also beginner.
It's my
I
friend
don't
who gave
invest
me.
too much
Look.
because I also
He
a
knows
beginner.
that I was using something like this. He gave me this and I went to New Market to buy this one. It's good.
Very good, very good, very
It's
good.
really good.
comfortable.
Yeah, very
Very
comfortable.
strong, very strong.
Oh my god, it's so much handy, right?
Yeah,
Handy and comfortable.
when I want it to like I can also
Ulanji
use
is best product.
best product. Yeah,
So,
Also China.
yeah.
so you have bought everything within 1,500, right?
Yes, brother.
It's not
I can also
It's a
use
budget
this.
shopping.
it's so
Don't be
cheap.
sick.
Yes, because
It's
we
in
are also
Bangladesh.
cheap.
Oh my god, it's really great.
But
Yeah, I
when,
just
It's a
when
gadget.
Hawa is too much, it's go other thing, other place.
Does your stuff do like that?
No, brother.
you can make it like tall.
It cannot
I
be
can. Three position.
3 position. One missionary, one doggy, and other.
So that's reason I need this, brother.
My camera tripod is more than big long boy.
Very long tripod he's got.
I'm thinking of going with you guys, but I'm also like going to
And
Vietnam
You
soon.
are thinking,
Our camera
and
tripod.
you are also thinking about
but
to.
Simon, please, one thing. If you go, we don't too much talk with you because we have also.
No problem. You have
Okay.
to do your.
No, he talk, but we have don't too.
Oh,
too
if
much
I go,
talk
I will
because
be
we are
streaming.
All in golf.
We will be so much pleasure.
I know when we went to Kapta, it
We
was
get so
really.
pleasure when he worked with us and
You go to
make
jungle.
stream.
Talk with animals.
There is snake, a talking snake, right?
I'm gonna end in
Have you
15
ever seen
minutes.
any talking snake?
There is Russell.
Huh?
Have you seen any talking snake?
No.
It's called Russell Viper.
Ah, this talk?
Yeah,
Bro.
they talk.
Yes.
No.
When
If
you
you
talk
are
to
here.
them, they will.
Oh, okay. That it's not. It's like hushing.
You find your pussy and then push.
What? He's gonna push what?
Yes.
Push
It's a
is.
lucha shop.
Lucha shop इंग्रजी की भाई.
Lucha, what's the lucha English? Lompot also Bangla.
Lompot
না,
is
it's
Bangla.
called,
Is Bangla.
Lompot to Bangla.
Lucha English.
Lucha.
Thank you so much,
Sorry,
Taylor,
What is
for
the meaning of lucha Bangla? For English.
lucha. Lucha is like. There
Ladies
you go.
Bangla?
No,
Ladies
it's
man.
Playboy, right?
Yeah, something like
Playboy
that.
lucha. No.
Playboy, right?
Wait, there's a thing.
Playboy.
Not kacha-kachi.
So much. It's like
Thank you so much, Taylor, for 200 bits. Thank you.
200, oh my god.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry for arguing. Never say sorry. It's so adorable how you guys love your country. It's because of your country. You guys are
তুই গায়ের মধ্যে আসিস
out of everyone. Why did you ask me?
Because you are a foreigner.
I'm not a foreigner. Out of everyone, she came up to me.
এইটুকু যদি কানেক্ট
Out of everyone, she just.
এর মধ্যে একটা বিচ্ছু দিয়ে
Is it like?
এই চোখেই উঠে
No, please.
জানি না ঠিক ঠিক
I'm
আশেপাশে
sorry,
গেলেও
I'm
ওই
sorry.
বিচ্ছু দিয়ে যাবে।
Hey bro, let's celebrate in Coxsbazar.
থাকে
I.
You have to go Vietnam.
No, but I can go. I can go with you guys. It's just I'm spending a lot of money for Vietnam. Like you know,
হাউ মাচ
a lot of money. Like I have to carry $1,000 and
1 lakh, 1
that
lakh.
much, right?
50,000 for plane. I have to stay there for like a week.
Problem. You have to you weak.
Yeah.
You planning to
I-
smoke any weed
এখনো
or
সম্ভাবনা
something?
zero
Because
বরাবর।
last time when Masum bhai went to the Vietnam,
yeah, the
he
Vietnam
got
যাচ্ছে তো already
a
অনেক
Hookah?
king size marijuana, and that was about Indiga. We smoked that shit and got very high. That was not that was not tolerable for us.
I was also
Vietnam
gonna.
is a cheap and a budget friendly.
No.
Yes, brother.
It is. It is.
Never.
Yes, brother.
Never.
My brother,
Vietnam is
my
cheap.
brother
No.
stay there.
Vietnam is actually cheap. When you're in Vietnam, it's cheap.
Vietnam cost in
If
actually cheap.
If any
But
product in Vietnam is
Flight
cheap,
cost and everything. Yeah.
flight cost very high. Very
Living cost is not too much.
Yeah. Flight cost is very
there-
expensive.
Is there any kind of product is cheap? It's just clothes, Vietnamese clothes. It's so cheap. You cannot imagine.
Compared to Thailand, it's kind of cheap. Like I was gonna go to.
Indonesia, very cheap.
I was gonna go to.
Cheap and flight cost.
Yeah. The flight cost is the. If you go to 2-3 countries, then it's fine. I was gonna go to Thailand with Masumbai. I was gonna go to
What
this.
about the girls?
He won the
Away
31st.
with you.
No, me, Masumbai, we were gonna go to Thailand together.
When?
They are
I don't know.
planning to go there.
No, we did. He already been to Thailand.
Thailand
Okay.
spent.
Came
Have
back,
you- have you
but
spent
I
time
didn't get the Thailand visa.
Okay.
And you know
planned
that
with him, but
I planned with him. He already got the visa. Then I applied, and during that time it was happening. All the, you know,
no problem.
you know,
next
like
time?
the
Thailand will
the
go
protest and everything. It was starting, so there was no internet. The embassy was like giving everyone their passport. So.
Where is Riyadh?
But when I come from Vietnam, I apply for Thailand.
হ্যাঁ কদম তলি কি করে বাইক কি করে
টলির খোলা
বাইক কি
মাঠে।
করে
আরে ভাই কালকে টুরে যাবে না?
কালকে রাতে যাবে।
All right, Chad. It's time for us to say goodbye.
মানে কি কন্টেন্ট বানাবো?
I love you guys
ক্যাম্পেইন করছে কয়টা
so
করছে?
much. I'm gonna end the stream now. Thank you so much for being here this whole time.
জীবন
Hey guys,
জীবন আমাকে উঠতে হবে একটু পর।
আরে ভাই সব
I
উঠে
love
গেলে
you
কেমন
guys
হবে?
for being here,
আমার কাজ আছে
chilling with your boys.
কি কাজ?
Appreciate you
বসে
guys.
আসছি
আমি তো কালকে বান্দরবান চলে যেতে পারে কালকে তো আমি বান্দরবান চলে
I'm
যেতে
gonna raid.
আর ওইটাও না আমার
I'm
কাজ
gonna raid my friend Pablo Ventura
এখনো
on
বাসায়
kids.
যাইনি তো।
Dogs, Telegram.
বসে যাবেন আর কি 1 ঘন্টা থাকেন?
And I'm gonna raid.
থাকি আর 20
Let me
মিনিট
see
থাকি।
who to raid on Twitch.
হ্যাঁ, সেটা।
I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here
বাজারে যেতে হবে।
and chilling with me.
বাজার
I appreciate all of you guys.
তবে আমি অলরেডি টেলিগ্রামে আমরা অলরেডি
আব্বা অসুস্থ তো আমি
চলে আসছে।
Let's see who's live on Twitch. Who's live on Twitch? Do you guys have anybody that you want me to raid to?
টেলিগ্রামে কয়েকটা গ্রুপ আছে।
Oh, Leon is live. Okay. I love you guys for being here and chilling with your boys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, Chad, but I have to go for now. Bye. I love you guys. Oh shit. Soak? Okay, Chase Mom, I'm gonna raid Soak. Alright guys, bye for now, okay? See you guys tomorrow maybe. I cannot promise that I will be streaming tomorrow, but you know, cause tomorrow and the day after is my day off. I take day off. So bye for now, okay? I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. But food over here is a bit expensive. Because now that it's a fair thingy happening. Hi! Sorry. I was